do the shooting for me. Will help.
Our purple walker is under attack.
Turrets on.
I saw him run into a side building. I didn't see him come back. We might bait him if we just go for the tower.
Just take the walker. Take the walker, get out.
Defenses are up.
A wave of minions to farm. If Infernus doesn't try to farm him first. Come on, Infernus. I'm hungry.
I know, right?
Kurt 2 should be back to normal soon, though. We'll get this rift sorted out. We better try. I'm a little bit suspicious of try lately. Who's trying to go mid?
They have a disconnect. We want to try taking advantage of their disconnect.
Okay, I'll come back. Got the Teslas. You said you went purple?
Yeah, we already killed Dynamo.
I'm gonna go green.
Thank you.
It's a 7.
Oh, and she trapped him here with us. Nice.
It's like fishing for heroes. That's fine. Dealing with some latency.
Setting up a turret.
You do die. Process.
Yeah. It was worth it. All I need. That's the missing piece.
That's it right there.
That's how you do it.
Get that guy. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there's a Moan Krill too.
Gotta build me some.
I might actually go yellow. Oh wait, never mind. Looks like I'm going green too. Because they trying to take our walker. I'm actually going to do superior cooldown and improved reach.
Oh, that Dynamo is such a Smurf player, I swear. That dude is like so good at aiming, it's ridiculous.
Yeah?
Hits every bullet.
What's her ability here? Boost your fire rate. Okay.
Right.
I tried. I'm gonna take.
I'll take it, I'll take it, I'll take it.
Be him. take those. Take the improved cooldown.
Here. Focus shiv though. Only stopped moving like right on the outside perimeter of the bomb, like she was taunting me, and then moved forward and killed me with the other one. Oh,
Yeah, they just okay. Oh, that's cool, guys. My character like went green.
Green. Okay. There we go.
It is
I was hearing
rather
2 of you.
loud. So I just opened up shop. Normally I get customers just like crazy, because why wouldn't I? I'm selling some
Oh, the
red. Coming towards you. Everything seems to be moving pretty fast. Live.
I also think my entire page is literally nothing but Lady Geist now. After the last game,
Nice.
pick my Vindicta game one. It
Just
really
like-
depends on how much gun damage you're up against.
Yeah, I thought there was something that just made you like basically invincible for a few seconds. Maybe like
There's-
keeps you
there's
from.
Colossus.
Oh, that's Colossus
It might be. You get 40%.
for health. Sorry. Man, if only we had another Persian on comms.
Wonder who that could be.
Someone's looking to make a statement.
Yeah, why isn't Babier staying up late anymore?
Oh, green.
I'm heading over.
It might have left.
That's fine. I was gonna say clear the minions. And then go back and bottom yellow.
It's a lot of bullshit for sure.
Yeah, I feel really actually bad. I'm just not.
Do you want to try to go on Haze?
Yeah, if she gets closer.
It's a lot of bullshit for sure.
Yeah, I feel really actually bad. I'm just not.
Good luck completing the ritual. Our blue walker has been destroyed.
No.
What's up?
Maybe the 7 did good.
7 did pretty decent.
Yeah, try to give a couple of them too, but I didn't see them playing great.
I thought the
so-
Bebop did I.
Nah, I give one to Bebop.
Releasing spirits.
Dang it, I don't know if I can really get there in time. Try.
They're already on it.
Yeah, no, that's not happening. I'll just go ahead and get 2 of them on blue solo.
Nice.
Got the urn.
Got the urn. So should we head to purple then? Oh, the urn is in a new spot. What in the world? Is that part of an update or something?
Yep. I silenced the furnace, Cameron, but
Because whoever was on green left when I got there. Maybe just left after we got the Guardian, not sure. I'm at 17k and their highest is 19, and she's the one who always seems to be around when I'm trying to do something. Going 3, 4, and 1 right now. Now that I see where the finish line is for the urn, I don't even want it anymore.
Yeah, right. Just like leave it there.
Turrets up.
Unless we win a fight and like we do.
Yeah, that did quite a bit of damage to him. Ow! Messing around with that guy. Yeah, because that was obnoxious. Alright, well.
Whoa, and the super leg spike again. What is going on with it?
Packs, some regular packs, some pack boxes. I got some sleeves and a bunch of dice. The dice are a pretty hot item, to be honest. I got some smell spray because people come in here stinking up the place. This guy's buying up individuals. Come on, man. I ain't got that many. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
I am adding to my Haze build right now because it was incomplete.
Sounds like you're streaming.
I am streaming. Sorry, 9.56 second cooldown exactly. Hey. Oh.
Oh, they only got half of it up. Although they do have stronger minions, we're gonna have to play closer to our base and just focus on defending for a little bit.
That's fine. I got Ricochet, so stronger minions are better targets.
Need some healing? Defenses are up.
Don't mind me just clearing waves, training like the Draugr. Why? How does that dude have 23 grand already?
He's a farm monster. 7 is a farm monster.
One kit.
I'm going for him. He's super weak. He's diving you.
Need more firepower.
Nice. Oh yeah, you can reduce his healing with your ult.
He didn't, I didn't even need it, but yeah, I did it. I cast it because I was worried.
Yeah, I saw that. This guy's throwing them planets, bro.
He threw his first ball of the game. It took up the whole archway. Like, come on, game. You know that's not right.
The game's like, that's exactly how we want it to be, man.
I'm like, it was stressful enough. Aggressive when I got back in.
My turn. I'll wait until they're all in the pit trying to go for the finish.
Try to ult them.
Yeah.
You got the ding ding ding.
Nice.
I already like pre-initiated it. Left a bunch of turrets there to troll.
Try to come to Fonz's lane.
Oh, y'all's coming? Okay, I'll get back in.
I think I'm gonna stop the push. I'm backing off that.
Setting up a turret.
The urn is ours.
Nice.
A boon from your patron.
I
There
can
we
afford
go.
the best.
Maybe I'll get a leech now.
Hey,
Damn it is. We the leech bros.
leech life, boy.
Leech life. Seaside.
Seaside. Alright, now my 2 silences whoever it's on, so that's gonna be even more extra super fun.
Even more extra super fun. I'm gonna help this haze take on this Infernus. Apparently everyone's going for the Infernus.
He was a little out of position.
Just a
But
little.
nobody got the minions on on the actual. Wait, hold on. Rah, that should do it.
Turret's online. I got us covered. Gotta build me some backup.
Wow, my turret scared them all.
Oh, where you going, silly Billy? You got lots of health. You should stick around. Oh, I almost got him with this.
Yeah, I'll come in here, knock out a shrine real quick. Why not?
Nah, I killed Yamazo before she could all while she was silenced.
Nice. I just got collapsed on and actually survived like a full 5 seconds with all the team on my face, so I don't know what to make of all that, but it felt like the leech is working. So now I just need to not be the only guy at the shrine when they all come get us, and then maybe I can contribute even more.
Oh, destroyed.
If I get improved reach, I'll put it on my heel just to be a boss with it. That's my goal. Okay, back in the game, back in the game. Coming up purple.
Their patron is exposed.
Oh snap, their patron going down already?
Yeah, we in here absolutely wrecking their day.
I'm gonna try to bring these purple minions in with me when I come.
Finish their patron
mean, unless you guys are just gonna go ahead and end it right now before I even get to you.
I mean, we do look to be looking at that as a certain possibility at the moment.
The urn is ours.
Buddy, bring me help.
They can't kill me. I have too much healing.
They got very close to killing me, but they couldn't finish me because I ulted and got my health back.
I'm back to full
Grenade.
health already. This is gross. I was standing in the middle of like the flaming ground and everything, and just like, yeah, nah, you're good, McGinnis. Don't even sweat it. Just keep doing damage, and you'll keep healing. Wow. I didn't even get any medals.
Almost had it all. I almost had it all.
Wow.
2,000 objective damage away from it all.
Alright, 11:56 though.
Yeah, I'm calling it.
Yeah.
But those are some great games, though.
Those were some great games. I think good games, man. Alright. Have a good night, man. I'm gonna jump out and end this stream.
Yeah. Have a good night, buzz.
Have a good night. Alright, guys. You heard that. We're having a good night. We're done. Good games. Quick 2 just snowball amazing wins. So y'all have a good night, and I will catch you guys on another time. Let's see. Joshua, are you still here? I don't know if he's still here. But we're gonna go ahead and we do have one. Let's see if we can do the tiniest, teeniest raid we've ever done. We'll just jump over to Aknot and just do a quick Aknot raid, because why not? Thank you for the GGs, Joshua. Do a teeny tiny Aknot raid. Hopefully that came up. I don't know if the rating system is still broken. I haven't tried to raid anybody in a long time because of it.
Yeah.
Thank you for the GGs.
Yeah, GGs.
But I'm gonna hop over to Aknot and just say what's up before checking out for real.
Something happens, I get hit. A for no. All right, Marlon. Appreciate your help. Thanks for hanging out. We'll catch you.
Oh, we want the way to these treasure chests. That looks like a big old key. What is that? That 7 tried to jump on me and I just ulted and he was all like, ah. Oh, he's back. He's probably gonna push purple.
Go where I wish. Who doesn't love dropping a wall on someone?
Got him.
You didn't think you were getting away with that, did you?
Finally.
Stay 2 steps ahead of death, my friend.
Okay, I can get surge of power on the turrets or improved reach.
Oh my gosh, Grandpa's at 33k right now? Yo, Grandpa's cracked.
They come get me.
probably like, what the fuck does that do?
Wall incoming! Please kill something. Go.
Like a nickname, be like, oh, you instead of subscribers, you come up with a fun nickname for them. And these guys call their subscribers Billies.
The Billies.
And it took me like a few videos of like them saying, hit the like button and the subscribe button. You know, we just want to give to our Billies, and you know, Billy is love. We just.
I tried. I'm feeling one more. Feeling one more, and then we go to bed. Most player damage in the game, because it was. Throw it. Oh my goodness, sir. There you go.
He's lacking.
He is lacking. I'm like, dude, you're the level 2 guy with the boot. You just got that imposing presence about you.
Apparently.
I shall temper your spirit.
Gotta get as many of these up as I can.
Out and try to get me, and then just teleport over to yellow. I just see Wraith on purple, though, so that's actually probably a bad plan.
I'm actually heading purple.
Oh, he's running away like a chicken.
Guess I'll come in and help win the game now.
I'm just in their pit, killing their dudes. No big deal. Halt intruder. What'd you say?
That's how my girl sleeps. During the day, she's like down for 20 minutes and then she's back up.
Ah. My daughter's Zelda.
Pretty menacing right now. If I get like one more item, I'll be like hyper menace.
Nice. I think next I'm starting to build big items like leech and stuff like that. It's unfortunate because that's the lane I literally just pushed before I died.
Yo, what the fuck is Bebop doing? I don't fucking know. He's bad though.
McGinnis anyway.
You gonna get the kid?
Because I already play her that way. Like I already get like the superior cooldown and the rapid recharge.
She's very low. I got one. I got out. She's very low. Oh, I'm also very low.
Yeah, I'm about to die actually.
Gotta build me some
This is an
backup.
annoying combo.
Time to block them off.
Agreed.
If you're looking for the remarkable.
Take the L, Grandpa. Yeah, that's Ethereal Shift, I want to say.
Where is Ethereal Shift?
It's a purple activatable item.
Okay.
I don't remember what tier. Probably the 3rd tier. I'm on a solo lane, Pops. Sorry.
Turrets online.
It's all good.
Nice.
They got me though.
Thank you.
Okay.
Our yellow walker has been defeated.
Only there had been somebody there.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Sorry you died.
Oh, you're good. Like I could have got him somebody with my ult, but I didn't realize Bebop was there, and I got bursted. That was
Get rid of it. Yeah. Only took 49 minutes. I was actually the least fed on my team, which is disgusting.
oh no.
But I went 36 kill.
Oh jeez.
36, 5, and 8.
Need more firepower.
Hilarious, actually. Alright. We'll go down underground. See if there's some rupees or something we can get. A water level? Even better. Where's my glow fit? My team is getting destroyed right now, Tom.
The urn has been dropped.
Over here.